What's the meaning of Bonnie and Clyde? Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie and Clyde.
Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie and Clyde refers to a notorious criminal couple, Bonnie Parker and Clyde Barrow, who, in the early 1930s, robbed banks and stores across several states in America. Their organized crime spree led them to become popular figures in the media, idolized by some for their rebellious charm. However, they were eventually caught by law enforcement and ambushed in a hail of gunfire. The story of Bonnie and Clyde has since been romanticized in movies, songs, and literature, making them a symbol of the outlaw antihero and a cultural touchstone for America's fascination with true crime stories.